Power Hour, Mike V, having audio issues, getting around it. TradeGATEHub, we find solutions. We don't embrace excuses. Okay, let's get down to this. UNG, got some. Let me go to my charts, my screen. I haven't even looked. Okay, let's go right here. What's going on? Hold on a second. Bear with me. I apologize. All right. Let me go to my main charts. Action, Power Hour. We have a lot of retailers reporting in the morning. As you know, Walmart, Lowe's, Medtronic is not a retailer. A couple of China's, FUTU. The one, UNG. I have a lot of UNG. I think I have 80,000 UNG. I think it goes to 15. Only 62. I like this UNG here. I wish it was one of these. You know what? I had a feeling about it, gut feeling. I don't know if I should be more happy of a gut feeling after 30 years, but I don't know. Newmont, couple of golds. What's the star? Where's Hood? That was strong from the beginning. And let's see if it's strong right now. Hood, that's the one. Does it have any more left in the tank? I'm not really sure. Let's go to calls. Roblox, more calls. All right, there you go. After a big porn accusation for Roblox, right down here at 37. No problem. We're involved in porn. We'll rip it right back to 55. Taking calls right now, not for me. VIX. Tesla gave it all back. Not that good, or a lot of it back from what I understand. There's Tesla, that type of bar. Okay, let's keep that in mind. Uber down $4, was down 4 all day. Mara, Net, Affirm. That's the one that's acting most in terms of these payment companies. You know, is there any more juice in the punch bowl? I'm not sure. Maybe it has one more levels. Net over time, they do work. Because if they don't, stocks like this, even if it happens here, it happens whatever here, you know, they might not give you the perfect sweet or perfect, in, but stocks like that with volume calls and price action, net they work. Take a basket. BE. I mean, all my money back BE. Short this thing. Look, I'm shorting all the way up. I actually came on air. High today is 24.90 BE. The better shorts, absolutely. Trading price action. BE. I literally covered 3,000. Hold on, I'll show you. What is this? 23.10. What is it? I covered right there. 9,000 filled. Like 23.15. Smart. Acting well still. Smart. I see breaking high. Best of breed power hour. Best of breed energy. That's it. Smart. Second, we know about Oklo. We talked about it in the early video, but Oklo to me reminds me of ASTS is kind of like the space stock. SMAR is like, lunar. And what else? AQST has a lot of them. AQST calls, not interested. TEM, Reddit, nothing. Rocket Labs, ASTM, Mobley acting well. Taking calls all morning, Robley. What else do we want to talk about? Planetaire, naturally. You know what I mean? Maybe this thing is pinned to the 60 for one day. Who knows? Oh, stock that took a big position. I like it. Where is it? CFLT. And I bought too much of it too early. Bought 10,000 CFLT. Software play. Confluent. Why, you ask? Calls. Had the nice move up, consolidating. Big move. Did finish near that, at least that close. Came back a little bit on low volume. Above the moving averages, right sector calls. I'm willing to be wrong in it. Mike, do I think it's going to pop and fill this gap and hit 35 tomorrow? No, but I liked where it's sitting. I took a position. As I said, I got 10. 27.58. Disney, we'll look at stocks that had nice runs. Are they resting? Disney, one day doesn't make a reversal. Stock that's taking still calls that thank God I covered for a trade, put my ego aside, lost a little bit of money. Square. All right. And what does that theme persist with? Number one acting stock, payment provider, Affirm. Square's number 2 at this point. You can go to SoFi. All right. So stock take number 1. Calls all day long. Maybe the juice is out of the punch bowl. Maybe the calls are rescinded. YPF. Go to, you know what? Please, I implore everyone, because my video is what, 11 o'clock? Yeah, 11 o'clock. 34.15. You could have made it to 35.60. YPF. It was my video. I talked about YPF. But by the way, there it is right there. 11 o'clock a.m. All right, so this is a perfect example. Let's go right here where the video is. All right. 11:08 YPF. We reported at TGH with the help of Jesus. Where's 11:08 on the screen here with the charts? Right at 11:08. Calls went off, 34.30. Still give you $1.30. Is there anything left? I'm not sure. Roblox. The only thing I like about Roblox is a symbol. It's a cool symbol. I'll give it that. VIX call spread. I saw that. Relax there. Freaking surfs up. That means nothing. VIX call spreads. TSM bullish. TSM bullish. Let's look right here into power hour. Let's go to this proprietary situation. Well, of course, I have other scanners. This is generic, but let's go here. What's moving? Percent gainers in the last 60 minutes. What's moving with volume? ACRS moving with big volume. SMAR naturally moving up nicely on 1 million shares. A good percentage of volume list. Was it 60 minutes? That's one. Fuel cell, more. UAVS, drones. PCT, drugs. Huma. Percent losers, 15, 60 minutes, for example. Just 60 minutes, Mara, a couple of Bitcoins. All right, it is what it is. Most actives, there you go. Planeteer, down 6% on two times its volume. 2 times IONQ, no bounce. Pfizer, nothing. Riven, NIO. I have a lot of NIO. Enough to freaking IQ bearish. This IQ is taking calls. China. You know what I'm long? Baidu. IQ, can't do it. Baidu. Is it below 85? Baidu. I have 4,000 Baidu. There it is. From 84.92. I've done worse. All right. You know, is that really an endorsement for a trade that I've done worse? No. Justifying a trade. Maybe to myself. If not to Gerard. I'll leave it there. Let's see what they're talking about the tweets here. Gold pushing through the 50 now. This Dale Pinker 36 seconds ago. We'll give that a like. Silver pushing through the 50-day. Why not? Coach active. Trannies trouncing tech. I'm short UAL. I want it to flip. How about the tech trounce the trannies? Flip that freaking thing over tomorrow. Don't flip that over tomorrow. I'll be in a different tax bracket. I like that, Coach. Golden earring. Twilight Zone. I like that song. That'll give a repost. I like that song. The Twilight. If the bullet hits the bone. VRT. NVO help. You know what the one roll in? I stepped in. I bought listen, I'm serious. See all my bio, all these bio guys? Where's my bio guys? Every feed's about Viking Therapeutics. Trust me. My bio guys. I've been deleting some people because they've been freaking crying. Anyway, Viking Therapeutics. I'm in VKTX. My position has turned into my trade has turned into an investment. VKTX. Get to know it. I'll leave it there. Tesla bullish. ACRS. BE. Is there any more in BE? It doesn't matter. A stock like this. Okay? Stock went from 12 to freaking double. Price range in action. As a matter of fact, I'm going to short a little here. We'll short 800 BE at the market. What's going up here? Billy. All right, now let's go live on this generic scanner, my thing. SMAR breaking high. There it is. Billy going higher. China. There's Billy. Don't like the too many gaps, although I dig it. Baidu, as you know, we're in. Stocks were hot early on. Hood. Got to keep an eye on Hood. Right at the high now. See these? 230. 230 algos come in. 230 usually algo. First of all, this is what you have to do no matter who. This is a perfect clean example. Here's the high, the range. Held the 200 day on the 2 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. Coach will yell at me. I get it. Perfect. 35. Wouldn't short it. Is there any left? Yes. Next. Oclo. AMD. Hood. That's it. Hood. Viking Therapeutics. Fuel Cell. SMCI. It took them all day to figure out that it. I guess they waited all day. The stock was $20. Stock came out and says we're defending ourselves. It was, listen, look at this. Last point of the day. Sometimes you got to take a stab. Settings. Let's go to Friday afternoon. Let's go to 8 p.m. SMCI. All you wanted after the news came out. This was the high. See, November 18th. This is the what? November 15th high of the day was 22.96. All you wanted today at 20. What's everybody so shy about? I was on at the 11 o'clock meeting video saying the price action's poor. Maybe they just bought calls and all the dealers had to just, they bought calls and just get the guys bought stock back. That's all. But other stocks are getting bullish too. Avago's taking calls all day, not into it. So listen, SMCI is a one-day wonder. I'm not sure. If there was anything else with SMCI, which by the way had accounting issues. Everybody knows I can, I got a thick skin. Couple of things I stay away from. I learned a long time with WorldCom, Tyco, Enron, and I was in all of them. Accounting. Stay away from anything with the A word. Don't be an A word. Don't be an A and stay away from the A. Leave it there. Do I have any questions on YouTube? Mike V. Starting to call myself in the third. What is it? The third person? Mike V. Like in Seinfeld. Jimmy. All right. It is what it is. I'll see what's going on in the close. Plenty of things to do. Mike V. I'm in the room right now. Obviously, got to ask. Cheers.